Good morning and good afternoon to every lovely people who's watching the video, and welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we post videos related with finance. And today's video is related with finance because it's specifically on the Cash App topic, and Cash App is related with money because Cash App is a money transferring app. And today's problem with us in Cash App is Cash App unable to sign in into this device. So basically, when this problem occurs, you are not able to sign in into a Cash App account again. So how to fix this problem is watch this video until the end. First step, you want to go to the setting of your phone. So I'm going to the setting of my phone like this. And once you go to the setting of your phone, you want to go to the date and time setting of your phone. Once you're in date and time, as you guys can see, I'm going to my date and time setting of my phone. I'm just going to click on date and time. And once you go in date and time, you want to turn off your date and time and turn it on again. Once you do that, try to open your Cash App. And if your Cash App still doesn't opens up, the next thing you can do is go to your Play Store and check if your Cash App is up to date. If your Cash App is not up to date, then make sure to update your Cash App because sometimes due to your Cash App not being up to date, it also doesn't allows you to sign in into Cash App. Even after updating your Cash App and turning off your automatic date and time and turning it on again doesn't fixes it. The next step you can do is come back to date and time setting of your phone, turn off automatic date and time, and turn off automatic time zone as well. Once you do that, click on select time zone. Now once you come over here, you want to search for Los Angeles. Now why you want to search for Los Angeles is I don't know, but actually it works. All right, so for like 60% of people, after they change their time zone to Los Angeles, it fixes for them. So I'm searching for my Los Angeles over here, so you guys also search for Los Angeles and click on it. As you guys can see, I found Los Angeles over here. I'm just going to click on it. After you click on it, your time zone is going to be set to Los Angeles. Once it's set to Los Angeles, mine's set to Los Angeles. What you want to do is go back and open your Cash App, and it should allow you to sign in into your account. So that's how you guys can fix your Cash App unable to sign in into this device, and how you guys can fix your Cash App not opening up. And as the problem says, if you're facing this problem, your Cash App is not going to open up. Every time you try to open it up, it's going to close again automatically. And there's multiple ways to fix this problem, which I'm going to be telling you in this video. So the first way to fix this problem is basically to check if your Cash App is up to date. Sometimes your Cash App is just not up to date, which is causing the problem. And even after updating your Cash App, if it still doesn't opens up, just simply restart your phone. Because sometimes just simply restarting your phone solves your problem. And if it still doesn't solve your problem, the next thing you can do is offload your Cash App. So the process which I'm going to be doing, if you guys are an iPhone user, is called offloading your app. You can search it in YouTube saying how you guys can offload app on iPhone. It's going to show you the way, and you can just follow the way to offload Cash App. For Android users, just hold on Cash App, click on app info, and then go on storage, click on clear data, click on OK. What this is going to do is this is going to clear all the data of Cash App, and go on permissions, turn on all this permission. After you do that, just restart your phone and open Cash App. It should open up. And if it still doesn't opens up, just delete your Cash App, reinstall it again, and it should fix it. All right. So that's how you guys can fix your Cash App not opening up. How you guys can fix your Cash App request failed. So when this problem occurs, if you're trying to request money from your friend in Cash App, it's going to say request failed. And there's multiple reasons why this problem occurs or why your request is not being sent to the person or your friend. The first way is make sure to check if the person or like the cash tag of your friend you typed over here is correct. Because sometimes you simply just type the incorrect cash tag of your friend and the request is just not being sent because the person with that cash tag does not exist. So make sure to check that cash tag, and even after typing a correct cash tag, if it still doesn't work, next thing you can do is check if your internet connection is stable or not. Sometimes it's due to slow internet connection, your request is failed to be sent. And the other thing is make sure your Cash App is up to date. Sometimes your Cash App has not been updated for a long time because you forget it. So make sure to check if your Cash App is up to date. And after updating your Cash App, it should be fixed. And even after updating your Cash App, if it's still not fixed, the next step you can do is close your Cash App, hold on your Cash App icon, click on app info, and once you're over here, go on storage, go on clear data, click on OK, and all your data stored by Cash App on your phone is going to be cleared. Once you do that, you need to re-log in into your Cash App account again. Once you do that, your request should be sent. And if it still doesn't send the request, the next thing you can do is delete your Cash App, reinstall it again, log in into your account, try to send the request, and it should work. And if it still doesn't work, what you need to do is you need to go to Google and type Cash App support contact number. It's going to give you the phone number of Cash App support. you need to call that number, and the staff from Cash App is gonna help you fix this problem. All right. How you guys can change your Cash App pin if it is not working, or if you forgot your Cash App pin and you want to change it without knowing your current Cash App pin. All right. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. First step, open your Cash App and click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now since I have not uploaded any profile picture, it's showing this. So in your screen it might show you your profile picture. Just click on it. Once you click on it, go on privacy and security. Once you're under privacy and security, you can see the change cash pin option. You want to click on it. If you don't see this, it basically means your Cash App pin is not yet turned on, which means you don't have a Cash App pin yet. Alright, so turn it on and click on change cash pin. And over here you can see the forget cash pin option at the bottom. You want to click on that because we don't remember our current Cash App pin. And click on I forgot my cash pin. Now once you're over here, basically you need to enter your confirmation code, and it's going to be sent to your email or your phone number, whichever thing you have used when you created your Cash App. I used my email, so it's going to send a confirmation code to my email. And once I look into my email and type the confirmation code over here, so I'm going to type my confirmation code. You guys should type yours. Alright, after you type yours, click on next. Once you click on next, it's gonna ask you to enter your new Cash App pin, but for some reason it's showing me this, but in your case it should not show you that. All right, I'm currently facing a problem over here, but you guys should not. So once you enter your confirmation pin, it's gonna ask you to enter your new Cash App pin. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your Cash App pin. How you guys can fix your Cash App crashing, which means if your Cash App is not opening up and it just crashes instantly when you open up, then you guys are at the correct video. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can fix this problem. So the first step is you want to open your Cash App, but if it closes instantly, then it's crashing, guaranteed. The next step you can do is go to your Play Store or App Store and check if your Cash App is up to date. Because sometimes your Cash App is just not up to date, because sometimes you just don't update your Cash App, and that's the main reason. So make sure to update your Cash App to the latest version. And after updating your Cash App, if it still says this thing, what you can do is close your Cash App, hold on your Cash App. So what you want to do is go on your phone setting. Once you go on your phone setting, you want to go to the date and time of your phone setting. There's a date and time setting on your phone as well. So you need to make sure you're on that setting. Alright, so I'm going to go on date and time over here. So you also go to your date and time of your phone setting. And over here, if your automatic date and time is turned on, make sure to turn it off and turn it on again. What this is going to do is this is going to reset your date and time. And once you do that, try to open your Cash App again. It should work. If it still doesn't work, hold on your Cash App, click on App Info, and then click on Storage, click on Clear Data, click on OK. What this is going to do is this is going to clear all the data stored on your Cash App, and it's going to make your Cash App new. Now, when you open your Cash App, it's going to ask you to log in into your Cash App account again. Once you do that, it should be working. If it's still not working, just delete your Cash App, reinstall it again. All right, it should be fixed. And yeah, if you guys are in a country where Cash App is banned or it doesn't work, then the only way to make Cash App work is to download a VPN and connect to a country where Cash App works. And some of the country where Cash App work is Canada, United States. All right. How you guys can fix your Cash App, please try again later. So when you're facing the problem, if you're trying to open your Cash App or try to log in into your Cash App, it's going to say please try again later. So there's multiple reasons behind this, and I'm going to be going through those reasons step by step so you guys would know how you guys can fix this problem. The first reason behind this problem could be your slow internet connection. So make sure to check if your internet connection is fast enough to run Cash App, because if it is slow, then that's the reason. The other thing is if your Cash App is not up to date. So make sure to update your Cash App to the latest version. After you do that, it should work. And if it still doesn't work, the next thing could be the Cash App server is under maintenance, which means Cash App is repairing something. That's why it's not letting you to sign in into your account. And the other thing could be if you're outside the country where Cash App doesn't work. Cash App only works in 3 countries, USA, UK, and Canada. So if you're outside those countries, it's not going to work. They might have added some more countries, I don't know, but I think they have recently. Well, you can just search it on Google telling which countries Cash App is available in. And if you're in one of those countries where it is available, it's good. It's going to work. If you're outside, then you need to make a VPN or download a VPN and connect to a country where Cash App works. For example, US, try to log in into your account and it should work. And if it still doesn't work, the next thing you can do is just go to Google and search for Cash App contact info. It's going to give you the phone number of Cash App staff. You can just call that number and the Cash App staff will help you fix this problem. All right. That's the last option you can do. And yeah, you can also just delete your Cash App, reinstall it again. Sometimes just deleting and reinstalling your app simply fixes your problem as well. All right. Good morning and good afternoon to every lovely people who's watching the video, and welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we post videos related with finance. And today's video topic is on Cash App, and it's on how we guys can fix your Cash App payment failed. So for those people who do not know Cash App, let me make you guys familiar with Cash App. Then I'm going to be going to how we guys can fix this problem, because if you don't know what Cash App is, then you guys might be wondering what problem it is. All right. So Cash App is a money transferring app, and basically when you try to transfer money to somebody, this problem occurs. When the transfer doesn't happen, it says like your transfer failed or Cash App payment failed, then basically that's the problem you're facing. Cash App is an app for transferring money, receiving money. So if you can't transfer money to somebody, then what's the reason of Cash App, right? So let me tell you guys how you guys can fix this problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Financeable, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first step is make sure if your Cash App is up to date or not. Sometimes your Cash App is not up to date, that's why it's causing you this problem. So just go to your Play Store or App Store and check if your Cash App is up to date or not. If it is not, make sure to update it. And the other thing is, make sure to check your internet connection. Sometimes due to slow internet connection, it causes this problem. So when you're trying to transfer money to somebody, make sure you have a strong internet connection or fast enough internet connection for that transfer to happen. And the other reason is if you're trying to send money to a Cash App account which does not exist. So let's say you enter a cash tag of a person, or like a cash tag whose account doesn't exist, which means you typed in the wrong cash tag. That's why it's saying transfer failed, because the account on the that cash tag or account that name doesn't exist. That's why the transfer didn't happen. So make sure to check if the cash tag you entered is correct. And the other thing is if you're trying to transfer a large sum of money, let's say you're trying to transfer $50,000 or $70,000 at the same time, then it's not going to happen. Cash App doesn't allow you to transfer a large sum of money. All right. It's only developed for, transferring little amount of money. You can transfer about like 10,000, 20,000, but not like 50, 100K, just like that. All right. So if you're trying to transfer a large sum, then that may be the problem. And the other thing is if the account you're trying to send is under restriction, which means let's say a scammer is taking money from a lot of people, or the account you're trying to send money to is a scammer's account and a lot of people have reported that account, and Cash App is like, trying to examine that account, then the transfer is not going to happen. It's due to security reason. Cash App is trying to secure your money, because if you transfer money to that person and at the later date, like you say it's a scamming website or like it's a scammer's, Cash App account, Cash App can't return you that money. So it's trying to save you from sending your money to a scammer. All right. So it's a prevention method from Cash App. So if that's the case, then the only thing you can do is wait until Cash App removes that account from restriction. All right. So that's how we guys can fix this problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Financeable, and bye bye.